Every week, sales teams around the world waste hours repeating the same product demo. Prospects book calls just to understand the basics, and reps end up giving the same walkthrough over and over again. What if your product could demo itself? Meet HeyMeetAI, the agentic demo platform that lets people experience your product live right on your website. Here's how it works. You place a smart chatbot widget directly on your site. When a visitor arrives, they can start exploring your product immediately. No booking required, no waiting. But this isn't a static product tour or a pre-recorded video. The AI opens your actual product, walks through it step by step, and explains how everything works, just like a real sales rep would in a live meeting. And here's where it gets powerful. Visitors can interrupt at any time to ask questions. The AI answers instantly and then picks up the walkthrough right where it left off. It's a truly interactive experience. After every session, you get the full picture. Complete transcripts, chat logs, and AI-generated notes that tell you exactly what the visitor was interested in, what questions they asked, and how engaged they were. The result? Your sales team stops wasting time on basic explainer calls. When a real conversation happens, it's focused on the customer's specific use case, not the basics. Better qualified leads, shorter sales cycles, and happier teams. Ready to let your product speak for itself? Visit HeyMeetAI.com and start converting visitors into qualified leads today.